Сейчас мы пишем вечерний пейзаж в порту Марина.
It is late afternoon. We have a sunny and cloudless day with a lot of sunshine and a beautiful marina with white boats, calm water, interesting reflections, white buildings in the background, and green hills. I will depict all of this in an impressionistic artwork today. Let's begin. Here is the watercolor I will achieve by the end of today's painting session. I begin this artwork with a very rough sketch in graphite pencil done directly on watercolor paper. Pure ultramarine paint is applied in wide brush strokes using a round mop brush. I produce this wash on dry paper, which is fixed with masking tape to a vertically positioned board. I add into the mix a little bit of yellow ochre light to warm up the lower half of the sky. The hills are not too far away, and therefore their color is quite saturated. Making the hills a bit darker produces a light-dark contrast between the sky and the hills. The mix of ultramarine with cadmium orange can produce a wide gradation from cold to warm colors. This depends on how much of each pigment is added into this mix. The greenery is painted with free and loose brush strokes. I am more interested in how dark and saturated these areas of an artwork are than precise shapes of the palm trees. It is time to paint the middle ground. I prepare a warm color from cadmium orange, yellow ochre light, and cadmium yellow. I apply it with a flat, wide brush using vertical brush strokes. I then mix turquoise blue and ultramarine together and add a little bit of viridian to the mix, creating a blue color with a greenish shade. This is also applied with a flat brush with vertical upward brush strokes. Painting in watercolor goes from light to dark tones, so it's time to deepen up the value of the seawater. I achieve this by adding more ultramarine, cadmium orange, and dark green into the previous mix. It is a beautiful sunny day, and I am really enjoying painting outdoors. I am making some finishing touches to this artwork. It is better to complete it before it is done than to overdo it.
Ну вот, мы закончили работу.
I can now say that this artwork is done. It fully satisfies my creative task of making an impressionistic snapshot of this beautiful place.